Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a new dip powder company known as Angel Rose Dips. So let's get right into the video. Angel Rose Dips reached out to me to try some of their dip powders, and these are the dip powders that were sent to me along with an orange wood stick and a nail file. So I'm going to be showing the dip powders to you guys. The first dip powder is called Kumara, which is a beautiful gold shimmer dip powder. Then we have Rose, which is a dusty pink dip powder. Then Plumalicious, which is a brown dip powder with some silver glitter mix. Plumberry, which is a rich brown dip powder. Big Daddy Bailey, which is a beautiful purple dip powder. And 0 to 100, which is a white dip powder mixed with blue and red glitter. I also swatched the dip powders for you guys to see how it looks on a nail. And these are the dip powders in natural lighting. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Ensemble and Angel Rose Kumara and Big Daddy Bailey. So I've already applied my tips and buff my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. And if you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. On my middle finger, I placed 1 layer of clear because that's the nail I'll be doing a color block on, and I didn't want it to be too thick. Starting on the pinky nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I dipped it into the gold shimmer dip powder. I did 2 layers of that and I reached full opacity on the first layer. The dip powder formula was pretty nice and finely milled. Also, Angel Rose Dips gave me a discount code to share with you guys. I'll leave the information in the description below, so check it out. Now I pour the purple dip powder in a dipping tray. And on my ring finger, I applied a thin layer of base and dipped it into the dipping powder. This color was really beautiful and very pigmented as well. I did 2 layers of that. Then I applied another layer of base and stuck some circle glitters on the nail. Now on the middle finger, I place a thin layer of base on the nail, and I'm doing a color block on this nail, so I laid my finger into the clear dip powder. Then I angled my finger into the purple dip powder to get my desired color block. And then I poured the gold dip powder on the nail bed area. Now on the other side, I did the opposite. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. So I was having some issues with the color block right here. I wasn't getting the line straight as I'd like, so I had to do this area like that. The line came out a little jagged, which annoyed me a little, but whatever. So right here I'm just filing the gold area because some of the purple, the powder gave it a bit of a tint, so I just filed that and it removed it. Now using my French nail cutter, I'm doing a French nail on my index finger, so I applied base to the nail and then I poured my nude dip powder on the nail and used my French nail cutter to get my French smile line. I did about 3 layers of that. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the index nail, and now I apply base to the tip area and then I dipped into the purple dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that. Then I placed some gold circle glitter on the nail as well. So I'm just showing a side view of all of the nails. Now I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator to all of the nails and waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. The camera started to act up, so I had to cut this clip short. Now this is after filing of the nails. Now I apply my Mother One's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out Angel Rose tips. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.